I arrived here in London from Lisbon kagabi lang. Pero gusto ko na pong mag-share. Kaya ito po are notes for even for distributors. Okay po? So yung mga beauty tips mamaya na po. So anyway, I know all your other leaders are just arriving today, but I'm still here. But even if I'm still here, I love what I do. So I'm still connected with everybody in Herbalife. So hindi po nakatihaya si mother na nag-aantay. Hindi po ako ganun. All right? So anyway po, I'm so blessed tonight. Ang dami-dami niyo po. Excited po kayo. But please, wag lang pong makinig. Take notes. Kasi lalo na po yung sharing ko sa inyo na galing kay Eric Worre. Wala po siyang PowerPoint. Puro po sulat. Buti na lang. May iPad ako, isang click, tapos ang bilis kong mag-type. Kaya yung isi-share ko sa inyo is word for word na sinasabi ni MOJ at ni Eric Worre for tonight. Kasi ayoko pong lumagpas ng isang oras dahil gabing-gabi na. But I want to congratulate all of you because I know it's very late there, and I also appreciate Violeta. If you can see Violeta on the screen, she's working in London. So daytime, ayan, naka-hairnet pa, pero makita mo yung desire niya to really move ahead in life. Okay. So, unang-una po, fresh in your note, first line in your notes, pakisabi, I'm simply the best. Hindi baling anong sitwasyon mo, dami mong problema, etc. Kailangan you have to start to say words that will bless you, that will empower you. Unang-una mo yan, pagising. Kaya it's so helpful. Like for me, ano yung una ko? Time with God. Sabi niyo, bakit gumaganda si mother? Magsi-66 na, pero hindi po yan beauty regimen. Yung inner joy is the best healthy aging. Ha? Kahit ano pang ilalagay mo dyan, pag marami kang problema, hindi mo kayang i-handle problema mo, lagi kang punong-puno sa isip ng burden and bigat, hindi po yan lalabas sa pisngi, sa mukha nyo. And I know that has also been the parang comment ng mga leaders na nasa Lisbon. I'm getting younger. Siyempre, anak ako ni Lord, ageless. Okay? Ikaw, anak ka ba ni Lord? Ha? So hindi pwede magsabing kasi matanda na ako. Excuse me. Age is just a number. Ha? Kaya tanggalin nyo na yan sa utak. Any word na lalabas sa bibig mo na hindi makatulong sa iyo sa buhay mo, tanggalin mo na. Pati yung ano mga sasabihin mo sa asawa mo, sa anak mo. Okay, wala po yan dito sa sulat ko, pero yun yung nasa heart ko. Kaya you are simply the best. Anak ka ni Lord. Lahat ng anong meron si Lord, meron ka kung naniniwala ka kay Lord. Kung hindi ko na lang din po alam. So I want you all to please take notes. Bakit? Hindi lang to para sa iyo. Para sa mga taong ibibigay ni Lord sa iyo in Herbalife, customers, distributors, at ma-impart mo sa kanila at maipamumuhay mo at ma-share mo po sa kanila. Alright? So, thumbs up. Kahit ganyan na, hindi na kailangan, okay ba kayo? So, mas gusto kong kumausap sa mga bukas ang screen kasi live na live. So, anyway po, sige. So, another thing on your notes, okay? Sandali. Inom muna ako. Nauhaw po ako. You are the product of the 5 people you are with the last 5, 10 years. Marami sa inyo sasabihin, alam ko na yan. Alam mo na, pero bakit ganyan ka pa rin? So you need to move out of that association sa mga tao. Even if you are in Herbalife, sinong ka-associate mo? Kasi hawa-hawa po yan. Alright? But it's very, very important. You find your mentor, you find a mentor. And I know a lot of our leaders are great mentors. Alright? Kaya yung buhay mo ngayon is defined by who you have associated with 5, 10 years ago. Bakit ko una itong sinabi? Ito yung mga lagi kong narinig doon sa training. Even kay Eric Worre. Mamaya I'll let you know kung sino si Eric Worre. Okay? So, siguro before I start, kasi nakita ko ang daming bago, please give me 2 minutes i-share story ko. Okay lang? So yung mga alam ng story ko, takpan nyo na lang yung mga mata nyo. So, sobrang amazing talaga yung event na to. So, naghanda naman po ako ng slides. Okay? So, prepared na prepared ang mother. Okay. Okay. So, alam nyo to, itong company na to, okay, for those of you na you really don't know me yet, okay, wait lang po. Yan. So, na-meet ko babanggitin ko Jim Rohn Marcus, bakit si Eric Worre, yun din ang binabanggit niya, ha? So, just bear with me. So, sabi ni Jim Rohn, to live a great life is to serve the many. I praise God, I thank Herbalife because this is the life I live today. And alam ko, even if you're very new, you just got started on the products and you also want to start sharing, this is your future to live, to have a great life because ito po yung buhay na nilalakaran ko ngayon. And this is because of this company called Herbalife. Kaya remember this, it's not an accident, dinala ka sa Herbalife. Hindi by accident yan. And I know some people have stopped, but tingnan mo, bumabalik. So kaninang umaga, pagising ko, meron akong isang customer, bumalik today. So sobrang amazing ang Herbalife talaga and ang Panginoon. Okay? So I'm a mother of 4. Very quickly lang po. Yung last 2 pregnancies ko, I have an Herbalife baby. I was 39 and 41 years old, kaya pwede pa pong humabol. Okay, so daming travel opportunities, kaya nauna na ako sa Japan, kaya kailangan mag-qualify kayong lahat. It's so amazing experience. And these 2 people are really my early mentors in personal development. So sulat niyo po, personal development. Kasi you need to grow, ha? Yung personal development, you really need to grow kahit marunong ka sa how. Pag kulang ka sa personal development, hindi din uusog ang negosyo mo. All right? So that's Marcus the founder. Ganun na ako katanda sa Herbalife. And then you have Jim Rohn. And ito, lagi kong nilalagay yan sa quote kasi that's the favorite quote I have. What you become is more valuable than what you get in this company. Kasi you will really have so many blessings financially in Herbalife kung talagang tama yung path mo, pero yung becoming more is for me more valuable. Bakit ko nila lamang ang babies ko dyan? Kasi I had 2 more childbirth building this company if you're very new in Herbalife. Kaya wag na wag, ha? Gawing excuse ang mga bata. You have to find a way. Kasi when you become successful, your children will benefit. Kahit tumbling and split ka sa pagnananay mo, pero nakaka-Herbalife ka, yan tinitingnan ni Lord. Yan ang sinusow mo sa buhay mo. Yan ang sinusow mo sa business mo. And you will reap a lot of harvest. Kasi yun po yung nangyari sa akin. Okay? I was one person na, so background ko po, CPA po ako, nag-masters. I was an accounting professor nung na-meet po Herbalife, and buhay ko ang sarap-sarap na financially blessed kasi nga yung yung late husband ko was the former chairman and managing partner of SGV. So parang hindi ko maintindihan bakit ako mag-Herbalife, pero sabi nga ni Lord, hindi mo kailangan pero maraming nangangailangan. And maybe you're like me, hindi mo kailangan but maraming nangangailangan. So along the way, my life has really just been so blessed. Okay? So ito yung negosyo na kahit nasaan ka. Kaya meron po akong 2 prospect sa Portugal. So I'll just really arrange yung presentation po and all. Talagang I was doing my best na makashare, no? So anywhere you are, you can really do Herbalife kasi meron naman pong internet. And because of all this, yun, yung fellowship ko with the orphans from SOS Children's Village. And this is one thing that all of you guys, distributors, try to do something for your community, for charity. Kung wala naman doon ang SOS Children's Village sa lugar mo, try to do something for charity kasi that is also sowing in your life, sowing in your business. Okay po? And itong religious group that I have been supporting monthly, and then of course sa church where I have really grown spiritually, very, very important. And then all the other entities po, and of course mga scholars all these years, no? These are from Salayma, yung gabi sa mga Bisaya diha. Okay? And okay, so ito na. So day 1 ko po was not the general training. My day 1 was the 30K meeting. Ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na you want to Kasi ngayon may life ka, may situation ka, may mga kasama ka sa paligid mo. If you will not disassociate with people who will not help you go to your dreams, then you will just stay like that forever. So I'm so blessed na I can talk to Michael O. Johnson, our CEO, and then now Stefan on the right, who was a distributor for 32 years, one of the top 3 in the world parate, but now he was offered a job to be a chief, to be the president and strategist for the company. Kasi alam niya talaga ano yung mga changes or mga needs natin as distributors. And ito yung amazed ako, naiyak ako. Alam niyo ang company, everyday, yung corporate, walang ginagawa kung hindi discuss about how can we help distributors even grow better and deeper. Yes, maybe minsan may lapses ang corporate, but focus on what you can do also as a distributor. Because I know I also hear complaints and all this, but guess what? The opportunity is far greater than kung ano yung mga pagkukulang and all. Remember, we are not living in a perfect world. Okay, so to be able to be associated with these people, yun yung kailangan natin gawin. And lahat tayo kaya yan. Because if I'll show you some pictures right now na kung anong mga background ng mga ito. Okay, so of course, these are our regional head and yung nasa gitna si Rob Levy sa US na regional sales po. Okay, and so let me just, what's happening in a 30K meeting. So ano lang ha, i-share ko lang talaga to. So ito kami, whole day, and they listen to the leaders and all. So, sarap ng position. Upuan ko kasi nasa likod ako nila MOJ, best seat in the house. Okay? So, and I have this lady next to me who's the Chairman's Club of Australia, si Jennifer de Brabander, Jennifer Bates de Brabander. So, okay, so I'll just show pictures first, ha? So, the one on the left is from corporate. So, I've been very, alam mo yun, they really know you and all. And itong guy na nasa kanan ko, alam nyo background nito? Taxi driver in New York. So, nasa 30K meeting siya. Ano ko lang sa iyo na it does not matter ano sitwasyon mo ngayon. Does not matter.
Gab, dito lang ako ha. Gab.
Dali lang po ha. Berks, maano mo ba yung hindi sila maka-unmute?
Yeah.
Salamat, Berks. Salamat din, Lisa, for the music kanina. Okay. Then, so we had, I think on the left, most of you are familiar with Lance and Nicole Briden. Talagang they revolutionized also the nutrition clubs. And Brad Harris, talagang one of the renowned din leaders in Herbalife. And then the young guy on the right, okay? He met Herbalife in Australia. Nagba-backpacking siya, naubos na yung kanyang halos ang pera. So nag-find siya ng ad to find work. So ang na-meet niya Herbalife, but when he got back to France, kasi he's French, when he got back to France, kasi mahilig siya sa mag-exercise. So anong ginawa niya? Nag-lead siya ng exercise sa community niya. So that's how he became, now he's 30K also, no? So ito lang yung nalalearn ko sa mga to. Kung ano yung saan ang strength mo, which necessarily might not be the strength of your sponsor. Yun yung gawin mo, do more of it. Like the guy na who's very interested about Herbalife, nakausap ko yung naghatid sa akin sa airport, si Telmo. Sabi siya DI siya ballroom dancer, ang part-time niya pero driver siya, and also sa gabi yun yung ginagawa niya. So parang nakita ko na yung, alam mo yun, ginagamit niya yung pagka-DI niya, dance instructor, tapos meron siyang nutrition club. So parang na-excite din siya. So bahala na si Lord, basta really make time na ma-share ko sa kanya si Herbalife. Kasi very interested po dyan. So anyway, and then ito yung Chairman's Club na galing India. No? Alam nyo naman, India, marami din mahirap. Di ba? Marami lang nga sila. Okay? Kasi alisin talaga natin sa mindset natin, mahirap ang mga Pinoy. Kaya lagi, alam mo yun, poverty mindset. Kasi if, India is now the #1 in the world. Sobrang, alam mo yung summit, 3/4 of the room is puro people from India. Sobrang grabe. And if you look at these people, and I saw how these people started, they were very ordinary people but very humble. Kaya sobrang blessed. Kaya you also want to be blessed when you reach a certain level. Aalisin mo talaga yung ego and pride kasi that's the one that will destroy you in this company. Kaya never forget where you come from, but at the same time, as you advance and you start to have some people and all, tatanggalin mo ego and pride. Okay, that's the thing that I also learned here. And I know, pag talagang, kaya nga, be strong in your relationship with the Lord kasi talagang mawawala ego mo, mawawala ang pride mo. Kasi this time, if you want to be successful, it's no longer about you. It's about the people that God is giving to you, your customers, your distributors. It's all about them. It's all about your community. It's all about your country. Our country, the Philippines. Okay. So, eto, kaya ko to din pinicture. Most of you, you know Ravi. I think Ravi, if I remember, was a nobody in Herbalife. But now, yes, he said he's now everything in Herbalife. But itong nakamaroon na suit, alam nyo ang background nito, si Motokumar. Ito yung office boy, office messenger. Okay? He's also 30K. So anong difference niya between him and us, 'di ba? So kaya sobrang kaya never mind if you're very new, but eto yung future nyo if you want, but you just have to decide. And that's why I want to give some ideas today na talagang will really help you. Okay? And of course, follow your mentors din, ha? So, these are the leaders in Mexico. I met them like 17 years ago, but every year I always see them. But they're my very good friends, yung nasa left, no? Yung nasa kanan ko, the couple, Juan Pablo and Rocio Gutierrez. Bakit? Kasi ito yung first trip ko sa Mexico, talagang I got very close to this couple. Okay, so alam mo yun, so, tuwang-tuwa, ang dami kong nakikitang, matagal ko na hindi nakita, yung mga gano'n na, uy, grabe na how Herbalife has continuously blessed them no matter what. Okay, guys, sobrang nutrition club. Okay, hindi ako nagbabayas, but if you can do it kahit part-time, home club, whatever, office club, do it. Kasi yung sa sustainability. And I want to honor my sponsor. That's why I added his picture. Taga-Belgium po siya, for those of you hindi alam, nung nag-open sa Philippines in 1994, but I met him March 18, 1995, inabutan lang niya ako ng work from home flyer. Na-curious po ako. Suot nilang mag-asawa, ang ganda. Kaya nadala ko sa Herbalife opportunity meeting. Na-curious lang ako, remember that. That's why, sulat nyo sa notes, just continue to be curious. Okay? Kasi you'll never know saan saan ka dadali ng Panginoon dyan. Okay? So background niya po, insurance broker po siya. But of course, ngayon, he has a life. He lives in Phuket, Thailand with a Thai wife, no? So I was happy. Kaya every March 18, like yesterday, I never fail to thank him every year for bringing me sa Herbalife. And maybe some of you medyo bago pa, maybe, I don't know how long you have been in Herbalife. Do you say thank you to your sponsor on that day you sign the application form? That is also sowing in your life. Maybe iba ang mindset ng sponsor ko sa pag-Herbalife. Ngayon, I've learned, I have grown. Dati inaaway ko po yan. So bumait po ako sa Herbalife. Okay, so really yung iingatan talaga natin ano yung sinusow natin sa buhay natin. And when you say sowing and reaping, it's not just about money. It's also our attitude, how we really deal with people. Okay po? Okay, so ito yung first slide ni Michael O. Johnson. So I'm going to look at my notes because I don't want to fabricate any words na sinasabi niya po. Okay. So, unang-una binanggit niya na doon sa Marcus bonus, okay, noong March 17. Tulad niyo to, grabe ang company. They gave away $76 million in one night. Kaya yung mga detalye ng sino yung mga Marcus bonus awardee, top 10, etc. Doon i-reserve ko po yon sa active supervisor retreat that we will have on April 21st. So 76 million Marcus bonus ang binigay. Yung number 1 was received $2 million in one night. Anong background? Orange picker, meaning Russian po sila, sobrang sa hirap ng buhay. Nag-migrate sila sa Israel and he became an orange picker. So nasa farm. But he's now the number 1 in the world. Okay? So, bakit gusto ko itong ibanggitin? I want you to realize, fully appreciate Herbalife. Bakit? Kahit bago ka pa lang po. Bakit? Meron po bang ibang company out there na alam mo in this industry na naririnig mong nagbibigay ng ganyang halaga? I want you for a moment to think about that. Instead of us, bakit yung iba ganito mag-advertise, blah, blah, blah. Ikaw muna, na-appreciate mo ba this much ang Herbalife? And I think this is what we all need to work on. We work on appreciating more and more deeply gaano ka-special si Herbalife. And with that vision na premier health and wellness company para sa community and all the platforms na gagamitin ng Herbalife, we will be number 1. Okay? So, sabi nga dito, this is a company where the opportunity allows you to grow and help your downlines, or kahit na po sign up mo lang, wala ka pang downline, it's okay. Kasi mamaya makita nyo how important it is to really bring people in this community. Okay? And of course, it's not being in Herbalife and you have customers, you have distributors, hindi siya transaction, but yung human relationship is very, very important now. Kahit na merong face-to-face, merong human connection, human touch, hindi nawawala si Herbalife. And ngayon, meron pong bagong initiative na sa online na talagang makakatulong sa ating mga walang alam sa online. Bakit? Kasi yung technology, no, that we have to be willing to embrace lahat ng developments in the market kasi parang hindi po tayo maiwan. Okay? So, very, very important is, sulat nyo ha, building the Herbalife brand. Building the Herbalife brand. And ano niya sa brand? Our relationship sa produkto. And if you're very new, I want to encourage you, learn more about the products. Even tayong mga luma, we have to keep learning about the products. Hindi yung, product, alam ko na yan. Alam mo na bakit wala ka pang results sa products. Because I'm sorry to say that, but I know, and talagang over the 3 days, laging binabanggit, personal results mo sa product. Kasi alam mo na pala, so pakita natin sa tao na we really have that personal results. Okay. And then, personal service sa tao. Talagang we go out of our way na paano natin ma-serve yung distributors, yung customers po natin. And then, of course, our relationship with our co-distributors. Okay? So mula ngayon, let's create it a culture in Herbalife na wala na pong magko-comment about other people. Wala na pong ganon. Kasi tandaan mo kung yung lalabas sa bibig mo, yan din tatanim mo sa buhay mo. Just really focus on the goodness of God, goodness of people, and the opportunity. Walang iba At yung care and love sa tao. Kasi ito po yung naranasan ko personally. Talagang when I really seek and make time for God, kahit po alam mo yung ganitong travel, I make time for Him. Kasi when you have that, you feel His love, you feel His presence. And I know, I invited Him. Si Holy Spirit yung nag-share ngayon, hindi ako. Yes, may notes ako, pero siya yung nagsasalita for you because He loves you very much. Alam niyo ba, He was so excited to create you para mapanganak ka sa parents mo. He was so excited kasi He has great plans for all of you. Please remember that. Huwag mong tingnan yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Tingnan mo yung anong mga pwedeng possible sa'yo and just we have to just really continue to share out there. Okay? So yun yung sinabi niya, relationship And ano pa? Yung opportunity for us to transform many people in our community. Okay? That's the transformation. So our brand is you. Tayo, ang brand ni Herbalife. Kaya nga, I really want to challenge all of you listening na you need to really achieve your personal results once and for all. Kasi this will relate to what do you really want to achieve in 2024. Baka mamaya tapos na si 2024, yun pa rin ang results mo. Wag! Kasi sinasayang mo yung opportunity na binibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon and ng Herbalife. Okay? So, sabi niya, pangako niya we continue to build it stronger, deeper, and better. 3 words yung sinabi niya. They will continue, and talagang feel namin yun na sobrang, yun lang ang preoccupation ng corporate. Paano tayo matulungan so that this company becomes stronger and stronger? Diba may 3 na tayong recognition na number 1 tayo. Feel mo bang number 1 ba talaga tayo? I-feel mo, ayusin mo pag-inom kasi personal results mo din mahalaga sa community mo. Kasi it's about authenticity din. So stronger, deeper, and better. Okay? Stronger, so ulitin ko, deeper and better. Kaya wala akong ma-miss na words. Bakit? Mabilis po akong mag-type. Kaya, kakita mo yung position ko, nasa 3 layers, third layer ako. Kasi yung table na black po, yan po ay mga Chairman's Club Founder Circle including China. Sobrang, wow, ilang tables po yon. And then yung next na table na pwede, dyan na po umupo si Mother. Saka nakaposition po ako, hindi sa gitna, but nakaposition ako saan yung lalabas yung slides na English. Kasi I want to capture everything para I can share as much as I can po. Ha? So, yun po. And then, isa pa po, kailangan proud tayo. We have sponsored 5 Olympic teams. So dream ko din po yan. Dream natin yan na balang araw ang Philippine team is also sponsored by Herbalife. Okay, so all these people are fueled with Herbalife. So we can share this to kahit hindi ka athlete. Pwede nyo pong i-share yan sa mga people na into gym and all, di ba? And na, uy, five Olympic teams, 5 countries na sa Olympic na teams na gumagamit, sponsored by Herbalife. O, tapos ito pa, alam naman natin to. But how much of this are we really promoting out there? Kasi marami sa atin, hindi naman tayo athletes. Tama po? Okay? So, isa pa, binanggit niya din po is number 2, no? Kanina brand, number 2, image. So, doon sa image, sulat niyo po, it's our community image ng company natin sa community nyo. Are we giving back? Okay? So, sabi nga sa Bible, to whom much is given, much is expected. Okay, so ngayon, we're very proud. Ito po yung figures ng, Casa Herbalife. So yung orphanage, no? In 2005, so by the way, 30th anniversary ng Herbalife Nutrition Foundation po. So ako din, I decided to buy a table in the reception. It's not about me, it's about the children. So kita nyo po, unang-una isang orphanage, ngayon in 2023, last year is 174. Ang countries nung una isa-isa lang sa Brazil, ngayon 61 countries na. Number of children supported from 100 to 209,000 okay, around the world. And ano yung mga grants na binigay ng Herbalife Nutrition Foundation? Okay, from 143,000 to 5.4 million. Ganyan ka-amazing ang company. And I really want to encourage all of you. No, even if minsan hindi naman nababanggit ng corporate, on your own. Okay? You can give to the Herbalife Nutrition Foundation kasi we really need your help kasi marami pong initiatives ang Herbalife Nutrition Foundation in the Philippines lalo na. Okay? So we all need your support for that. Then, okay, so that's the other slide that they showed. Okay. So ang ask po ni Michael O. Johnson is let's make it stronger and really bigger. And hindi man po yan mangyayari kung hindi tayo mismo mag-step into that role, no, to really support HNF. Okay? So ngayon, ito yung maganda sa notes na binigay din niyo po. So ready with your notes pa po ha. So wait lang. Very, very dry dito. Kaya inom ng inom. Yung skincare natin, 3 times a day ko ginagamit. Tapos sa evening lang ako naghihilamos para hindi po magda-dry ang skin. Okay. So I want you to write these 4 words for us to be successful in Herbalife. Okay? So at least bago ka ngayon, wow, that's a blessing. Kasi never mind if you don't understand all this, sulat mo lang. Basta kung magbibuild na po kayo ng business, ito yung 4 things kailangan natin to become successful, to give an impact sa community, and of course sa city natin, and then of course our region, and then our country as a whole. Okay po? Wow, na-bless naman ako. There's 373 of you. 73 president's teams in the room today. Okay? So banggitin ko po una yung technical. Ito talaga in the order it was presented kasi nandito yung notes ko ha. Okay. So pag sinabi mong technical, this is about yung understanding natin how about the products, no? Yung how they were manufactured and all. And we have videos about that. Tama po ba? Ako gamit ko yung videos na Hidden Hunger and Product and Belief ni Dr. Kent kasi sobrang lalo na sa bago, yun yung magandang makatulong. Sulat nyo if you're not familiar with that, no? Hidden Hunger na video at saka yung Seed to Feed, of course, Seed to Feed, and then yung Belief, Product and Belief ni Dr. Kent kasi explains really all this, bakit Herbalife and all. ano pa, technical side sa opportunity, yung mga strategies na kailangan natin matutunan. Okay? So, sabi niya, no matter how long you have been in Herbalife, we need new thinking, new mindset to really learn paano to cope up with a lot of changes in these years to come. Tapos isa pang sinabi niya, I mentioned kanina, stay curious. Kaya kung luma ka na sa Herbalife, stop saying, alam ko na yan. Alam mo na, bakit ganyan ka pa din? Nakuha niyo po? So, always be hungry for learning, for growing. Okay? Hindi yung lagi mong babalikan yun. Kasi yung nakaraan, wala na pong nakaraan, daanan mo na tapusan mo. It's today and moving forward. All right? But of course, the gift of having the experience is wonderful, but we don't stop there. We have to continue to really learn updates and everything. That's why events are really very important. Okay. So isa pa po, learn and unlearn. Okay? Learn and unlearn. Mga bagay na hindi man makatulong sa iyo. Then there's so many, ito binanggit niya talaga yung so many ways of doing nutrition clubs, diba? Nag-evolve into different things. But at the end of the day, it's still putting people on the product. So look at anong pwedeng mong magawa as a distributor even at home. You don't have to invest in many things. But if you are into that, then go ahead with that po. No? Now, there's just so many ways of doing things, especially sa nutrition club. Talagang yan binanggit niya. Okay? And then, every time may mga promotions ang corporate, like ngayon March, alam na ba natin? And even if you're very new, take responsibility po. Kasi minsan si mentor nyo very busy. Take responsibility. Ano yung mga promotions ng Herbalife? Ano yung events ng Herbalife? And yun lang naman din po ginawa ko. I just try to understand it and really go for it. Kasi para saan ba yung events and promotions? Para sa atin at makatulong po sa atin sa Herbalife. Okay po? Tapos, isa pang question na nilagay niya is this, and we all should be asking ourselves ito. Sabi niya, what do you do as a distributor every day? Okay? Ano bang ginagawa natin? Paano ba ako makadala ng mas marami pang tao? So, yun lang yun na yung minds natin are occupied with those instead of yung mga problema, no? Wala man makaano yun, but talagang puro, sabi nga 1% lang ang isipin mo ang problema, 99% doon ka mag-isip sa solution. Okay? So, yun. So, what do you do as a distributor and how can you bring people? And that is why, that's the benefit of really having a mentor po. And of course, being in the events. Kasi marami mga top distributors like, di ba tayo every month, meron na tayong starting this year. Every month, meron pong kickstart ang corporate wherever you are, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Okay? And kung ako kayo, maximize nyo because it's like a spectacular event. And for me, it's really very spectacular because you hear and learn from different distributor leaders, no, who are doing very well in their field. Okay? Kesa naman, kasi when you keep learning, and by the way, sulat nyo din po ito. Even for you to listen to me tonight, even for you to attend all these Herbalife events, that one does not guarantee na bukas ay mag-move up ka to your next level or yung guaranteed ang success mo. Kasi if wala kang gagawin after sa sharing ko today, then your life will still be the same. Agree? You agree, right? Kasi marami na din akong nakita na puno naman ng training. Marami pang extravagansang pinuntan. Ano na nangyari? So, if you're very new, talagang pakisabi, iba ka ngayon, iba ka. Okay? You just have to continue to move on and really take actions. Okay? So, ang second thing po na sinabi ni Michael O. Johnson is this, fraternal. Okay? So, sa fraternal po, he talked about attitude. Okay? Sa business natin. So, this is a business. And mamaya ipapakita ko yung isang slide na pinakita ni Eric Worre na if you're doing this, you're just having a job. If you're doing this is really for you a business. Okay? So, yung attitude mo when it comes to really this business called Herbalife. Okay? And your attitude towards the people who wants to work with you. And there's, ang sinasabi ni Michael O. Johnson dyan sa third line na who's got it better than us. Ang sinasabi niya na tayong mga distributors are so well trained that there's no other company out there
na talagang alam how to work with people, how to follow up, how to mentor, how to lead people, no, in this company. And then yun yung sinabi, and then he followed with leaders understand leaders. Okay? So naputol yan. So anyway, so the other thing that he said is you have to put yourself behind. Okay, put yourself behind. Sabi niya, do you remember birthdays? Okay, children's names. Ako, I will work on memorizing the children's names of people that I work with. Doon ako medyo bagsak. But birthdays, naalala ko, most of them. Bakit? Meron po kaming record, logbook ni Cecil. So she tells me every day, to birthday ni ganito, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Okay. So isa pa, and I don't just send a text, I always what? Alam niyo naman yun for those of you na na I always send a very short video wherever I am. Okay? So isa pang sinabi niya, nabanggit ko na rin to kanina about ego. So sabi niya, put ego and judgment out of the door. It doesn't belong to our business. Okay? So walang judgment. And alam mo yan din ang tutunan ko ever since I started developing my relationship with the Lord. Bawal mag-judge sa tao kasi kung hindi si Lord din mag-judge sa atin. So walang judgment. Okay? So, kasi lalo na me na, I have certain standards of how I work and all, and really giving my all. Okay? And then pag may makita ka na medyo hindi ganun, parang yung tendency ko dati was like that na, may judging. So talagang Lord, linisin mo ang puso ko na I will never judge anyone. So yun talaga yung big thing for me. Okay. So sabi niya, replace I with we. So we tayo ha. Wala nang I problem. Okay? So, yan pa. And then, this is sa third po ha. When you say greet, di ba meron yung word na greet kanina, so tapos na yung technical, fraternal, and then number 3 is greet. Greet means determination. Okay? And sulat nyo kasi wala sa slide niya. So greet means determination, and greet means doing whatever it takes. Lagay nyo, doing whatever it takes. And yan din yung turo ni Marcus, do whatever it takes to make it work. Alam nyo, yung line na yan na kay Marcus na you do whatever it takes to make it work. Kasi naalala ko, nung nag-nutrition club kami ni Cecil sa Cityland, naku po, sa 4 na buwan, nung first year namin, I think 18 years na kami, correct me if I'm wrong, Cecil, Berks. 5 lang yung drinkers namin. As in, pero we have so much joy, so much faith na it's going to grow. And then ngayon, maraming duplication sa organization. See? So yung duplication is really very important. So yun na, yung grit, you do whatever it takes. Okay. Tapos yung number 4 na sinabi niya doon sa slide kanina, the 4 things that we all need to become successful is gut. Yung emotional part, willing to take action, willing to get out there, okay, and really share the message of Herbalife. Okay? So isa pa po, with regards to gut, ito po. Sige, wait lang po ha. Dagdag ko lang tong words. Yung attitude and effort of caring and feeling your business, the feeling na your business is going to grow. Okay, laging yun ang iisipin. And all your efforts that you put in your business. Okay? So, ang ano niya po, keep moving forward. Give everything you've got. Alam nyo, share ko lang po sa inyo. Kasi naging ugali ko po yung, kung meron po akong gagawin, I will do more than 100%. More than 100%. And may idagdag ako for the Lord. Kasi lagi ko pong iniisip, itong negosyong to binigay ni Lord sa akin, negosyo na ito. Lagi ko sinasabi, Lord, this is your business. So I will do my very best. Kaya, pag yun po yung mindset, maiiba po eh. Hindi ka tatamarin. Talagang gusto mong laging mag-share, no? Okay, so yung heart mo, tama ang heart mo, okay? So guys, yun yung encourage ko kayo na we just have to keep moving forward. Give everything you've got, okay? And then, doon pala sa grit, may dagdag siyang words. Sabi niya, resilience, okay? Kahit no matter what, Even if customers, distributors ay huminto, etc. Okay? Whatever the economic situation, kalimutan nyo yun kasi hindi nyo kayang kontrolan yun. Ang kaya natin kontrolin, kumausap sa bagong tao. What if nag-decide ka kumausap tonight or tomorrow or may tinitext ka after we talk? What if siya yung sobrang magdala sa'yo to really grow Herbalife? What if? Okay, so we always play the what if din. Ha? So, then ito po, mga binanggit niya po ito, can they go the course? So, tuloy-tuloy na yung habang, kasi syempre, life naman po is not laging beds of roses, diba? So, tayo yung just have to really overcome everything. And sa akin, alam niyo, nakatulong talaga yung pagiging, yung close relationship ko sa Panginoon na ay yung sinasabi, I am an overcomer. And I want you to put that in your mind and in your heart. I am an overcomer. Kasi alam ko from time to time, the enemy will really distract you, try to distract you para you get out of that plan ng Panginoon sa buhay. So dito, kahit part-time, serious part-time, serious intensity. Because Marcus Bonus, that is also your side. Alam niyo yung Marcus Bonus is not just the money, the prestige, it's how you have developed to be your best version. So for me, that's the greatest thing po. Okay. So, anyway, nabanggit na ito kanina. Okay. So, anyway, so gusto ko po, I want to take a moment for you to read this slide po. Sabi dyan, the best day of your life, hindi mo na lang the best day of my life, is the one on which you decide your life is your own. Ownership ba? Okay, no apologies, no excuses, kasi yung economy, kasi yung mga downlines ko, kasi. Okay? No one to lean on, no one to rely on or blame. That gift is yours. So it's going to be an amazing journey for you, and you alone are responsible for the quality, all right? For the quality of it. And so this is the day your life really begins. So that's from Bob Mowawan. Take note of the name. Tingnan nyo sa YouTube, marami din po siyang mga materials that will also help us grow. So dito din po ako namumulot ng mga saan ba ako pwedeng mag-learn and all. Okay? So the best day of your life is the one on which you decide your life is your own. Okay, so ako, for me, if you're very new, you're so blessed na. Ngayon pa lang, kakastart mo pa lang, tama na ang mindset mo how to be on a journey to become successful. And alam nyo, I always remember what Jim Rohn used to say, na etong pag-Herbalife natin, itong journey na to is, sulat nyo is for you to develop the deepest appreciation sa products, the opportunity, and the company. So month after month, year after year, yun yung naranasan ko na I have just grown deeper sa appreciation ko sa produkto, sa science behind the products, and other things that I need to know about the products, yung opportunity, what else do I need to know about the technical part, strategic part, ganun, and then the company. Kasi, alam nyo yun, hindi po ako manumbers. But as a leader, of course, di ko naman expect na agad-agad bukas alam nyo na. I really have to go on that journey of really learning and embracing it. Even if it was very uncomfortable from accountant nga ako, pero when it comes to this technical strategic parts of Herbalife, ay talaga very hungry ako for learning po. Okay? So sabi niya, and for those of you na you have been in Herbalife for quite some time, let's build Herbalife like a new company. It's like your new business. Okay, so remember, take the technical, the fraternal, the grit, and the gut. No, maybe some of you, you're very new, you have not really yet experienced ups and downs in Herbalife. Then just continue, stay on, and you will experience it. But it will help you grow your character to become successful and to be an overcomer. Okay po. So, and isa pa po, have the vision for your people, Kasi very, very important talaga dito to bring people in the company, into this business. Mamaya dahil kay Eric Warren yung sharing niya. Don't be selfish. Ito yung na ano ako. Don't be selfish with this product and this opportunity. Don't be selfish with this product and opportunity. Okay, so then isa pa, ask yourself this question, lagay niyo star. Who you can become. Who you can become for your family, for your community, and more importantly, for the country. Kasi pag yun talagang iisipin mo, kalimutan mo sarili mo if you really want to have success in Herbalife. Okay? Kaya pag masyado ka nang na-disappoint, ma-depress, etc., gusto na mag-give up, discourage, kasi iniisip mo sarili mo. At sino nagbubulong sa inyo yan? Kasi ayaw ka niya maging successful. Okay? Now then, after this, kasi it's all about leadership stuff. That one, I will reserve for the active supervisor lifestyle on April 21st po. Kasi I don't want to go overboard your head. So the next part is already yung gusto kong i-share yung tungkol sa ito. Grabe. Okay, now. "29 years na po ako, correct? Wait lang. Bakit nawala yun? Okay. So, 29 years na si Mother. And this event was not just any other event. Kaya nanghinayang ako doon sa mga nag-qualify na hindi umabot, etc. But that's a lesson learned for all of you na maaga pa lang kasi 1 year naman yung announcement eh. So bakit ngayon ka lang mag-prepare? Okay? So wag pong ganon. So lagay nyo na po dyan. March 12 to 15 is in LA next year kasi we will be 45 years. 45th year anniversary. So sa home office gagawin. Sulat nyo na po yan. Walang imposible, ha? Okay? And I know, for you guys na nasa supervisor, world team, parang very uncomfortable naman na mga ngarap kami ng honors. Mamaya isi-share ko sa iyo yung sinasabi ni Eric Warren talaga na ano din po ako, na open po din ng mind ko. Okay? So, bakit nasabi ko na this event was the event? Ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan sa leadership, the ones who have attended, sulat niyo po to. This is now the new wave in our company. It's a new wave of growth in our company because this gentleman formed an alliance with Herbalife. So for those of you na hindi kilala si Eric Warren po, okay, tingnan niyo po sa kanan. Okay? He's a network marketing pro, and in his YouTube, ayan po, mayroon siyang 421,000 subscribers, and he's the most successful and sought-after coach in multi-level marketing, network marketing. And he has this it's a best-selling book. Honestly, I haven't really read that, yung GoPro. No? So maybe that's something we all can start also learning and listening and not wait for him. And by the way, he's going to be in the extravaganza. Kasi yung alliance niya sa atin is that in every huge events in the company around the world, nandun siya. Talagang tuturuan niya tayo. Kasi di ba marami po sa atin, customer lang naman, kagaya ko. Wala mo po kung alam sa network marketing. And he wants to help us become very, very successful. So, ito naisip ko, if he never believed that Herbalife is the best company in network marketing, then I don't think he will say yes to the offer of Herbalife na turuan tayo, i-train tayo in this field. Kaya nga sabi ng mga leaders, no, in the room, yung this is the new wave ngayon, new wave ng Herbalife industry. And yes, tapos na si 44 years, and perhaps that was just practice, that was just to lay the groundwork for the next 40 years for all of us to grow. So magpa 45 years na po ang Herbalife next year. Okay? So gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo yung notes ko sa kanya. Then that's my last part po.
Just gotta ask, are these beliefs serving me or not? Are
Okay.
these beliefs taking me in the direction of my purpose or not? Because if they aren't, maybe it's time to challenge those beliefs. Maybe it's time to say, you know what? I'm going to choose to not believe that anymore, even if the choice feels inauthentic. You might say, I don't know what's wrong with me. I just procrastinate. I just procrastinate. I don't know what's wrong. You know, I'm just a procrastinator, I guess. Ha ha ha. Now, if that belief's not serving you, you need to, I mean, it starts, I believe, with your language to yourself and then language to other people. I'm a do it now person. And it's going to feel like a lie. When you're changing a limiting belief, it's going to feel like you're lying. And that's why most people stop. Well, I'm not being authentic when I say, you know, I'm a do it now person. I'm just going to get it done right the second person. That feels like a lie because you haven't been that type of a person. You've been a put it off till later. You've been a kick the can down the road. So it starts with your language to yourself.
Okay. Nasa YouTube po yan, but I can send the link to all your leaders, no? So anong unang sinabi niya? That's the first learning, yung to challenge our belief. Siyempre, lumaki tayo, we've been around people, we've been learning. We have certain beliefs na pinorm natin sa sarili natin. And anong sabi niya? I-challenge natin yung belief if it's not really helping us become the person that we want to be, if it's not helping us have the success that we want to have in Herbalife. Or even if you're a discounted customer, for example lang. Okay, kung wala yung belief mo na talagang you will be healthy, you will lose the weight that you need, and even if some of you have been there quite some time, and talagang you're struggling and all, again, anong sabi niya? Ipalitan natin yung language natin sa sarili natin. And anong pang sabi niya? Okay? It is very, very uncomfortable if babaguhin natin yung ilalabas natin sa bibig natin. So, for example, you're lagi mo, mamaya na, tsaka na lang, procrastinator. So ano sabihin mo? I am a do it now person. Yes, sabi nga niya, it feels like a lie kasi hindi pa nga nangyari. But you are not that person yet. Nandun si yet, diba? So we just have to continue yung belief na yan. And alam ko, minsan words are cheap. Kaya nga, kailangan talaga, like I said, you're here, you're learning all these things. This does not guarantee you to become successful in Herbalife. It's after hearing this and all the other learnings from your mentors and trainings and events ng Herbalife, if after this, you're not yet taking things, more actions out there, okay? So, your life will still be the same. Okay? So, ito yung sobrang nag-create po ng change, no? Sa company. So, ngayon po, I want to skip all the others kasi yun mga leadership stuff. Okay, so I'm so blessed na I can go near him and I can take picture. And alam niyo, nung sinabi ko na alam mo, you are a gift to the company, hinalikan niya kaya ako. Kasi sincerely, I really felt, kasi di ba 29 years na po ako, madami talaga sa atin hindi nakakaintindi ng network marketing. Kaya maganda itong mga tinuro niyo po. And by the way, ikwento ko po sa inyo ha, okay, mamaya po ito. Alam niyo po siya, dito po ako babalik. Wala yung okay. So, itong si Eric Paul, alam niyo, ito yung sinabi niya. Nung age 23 years old po siya. Broke na broke siya eh. But he learned about Jim Rohn. Kaya ang talagang basic foundation niya sa personal development is Jim Rohn. So, sabi ko ba, parang si Mark Hughes, yung founder natin, at saka si Tony Robbins, no? Who have built great businesses. So, ito yung one thing, please sulat niyo po ito, ha? Leave the association with negative. So, anything negative around you, just umalis ka dyan, okay? Kasi sabi nga niya, sinabi din niya ulit, you are the average of the 5 people you are with. So, ano yung tinanim mo, then, the last 5-10 years sa buhay mo, at sa mga sinabi mo, ginawa mo, yan din yung aanihin mo. Okay? And please write this down. Merong YouTube video si Jim Rohn na mga 10 minutes about the seed and the sower. So, niyo po yan, seed and the sower. Okay? Isa pa pong isang na greatest learning niya. Okay? So, if you disassociate, okay, doon sa mga negative na tao, yung mga ayaw, yung huminto, maraming reklamo, etc. If you disassociate with them, mayo ka sa kanila, you will gather more strength. And focus ka on the opportunity, focus ka on growing yourself, talking to more people. So, number 3 pong ginawa niya. Okay.
So, habang magdadrive po siya to go to work, anong ginagawa niya? Lahat ng CDs, yung dati, yung unang panahon, di ba, yung mga, ano pa, mga VHS, mga tapes, yun ang kasama niya 24/7 sa loob ng kotse niya, sa bahay niya. Yun lang ang lagi niyang pinapakinggan. Okay? So, yung mentorship niya was through audio programs ni Jim Rohn. So, sabi niya dito, I built my mentorship from people who are wiser than me. Or, kaya yun din ang inaano niya sa atin na you build your mentorship from people who are wiser than you, who are willing to pay a price, and you earn proximity. Kasi the closer you are to people who are very successful, the more chances you are of becoming successful. Okay? Kaya try to, ano talaga, tingnan nyo talaga sino ba yung mga kasama nyo lagi, even in Herbalife, for example. Ha? Okay, so, then proximity is power, sabi niya. Kasi talagang mag-gather mo yung spirit, yung wisdom, yung kung sino man yung gusto nyo to be influenced with. Okay? Sabi niya, my attitude and personal development na in-internalize na is yung lagi niyong naririnig, for things to change, you have to change. And maybe many of you listening tonight, you have that desire na mabago buhay mo, ma-transform, right? So, yan. Sabi niya, for things to change, you have to change. For things to get better, you have to get better. Okay, so that's one of the wisdom na binigay niyo po. Sa pang sinabi niya, nothing is stopping you to reinvent yourself. Especially tayong mga nasa Herbalife. Sabi niya, you have not even started. Kasi we're like almost $7 billion in sales. Sabi niya, alam mo, sabi niya, I see 20 billion in the future for Herbalife. So parang naganon kami, diba? So sabi niya, so I don't know where you are in Herbalife. You're just starting, you're in the middle, you're medyo matagal na. Ito yung sinasabi niya. What if the last years, so kami kasi marami doon, may mga 44 years na sa Herbalife. So kung gaano ka nakatagal sa Herbalife, think about this. What if those years was just laying the grounds, practicing lang, okay? Building the foundation of what is possible for each of you today. So yung mga na-experience natin, sa na minsan may palpak, may inayos, may iniisip, ang mga dapat gawin. Those are just laying the groundwork. Okay? So, parang foundation for your growth in Herbalife for the next weeks, months, and years, no? Kaya sobrang excited po ako para sa inyo na all these, even yung experiences natin together, no? Yung accumulation ng experiences natin can really help us. Okay? So, eto pa po. Sabi niya, tayo daw mga nasa Herbalife, we don't realize how big a company we are, what a giant we are in all the network marketing companies. Sinabi niya po yun. And I really want na we all work together and like really grow our belief na this is really the company of tomorrow. No? Sinabi niya po yan. Ito yung, kasi minsan, medyo matagal ka na sa Herbalife, parang okay lang, familiarity breeds contempt, no? Parang minsan, we lose sight of what is really possible for the company's growth and all, and then ayan na si negativity, si pandemic, etc. Tapos na po yun. We just have to continue to grow. Kasi there's 120 million people in the Philippines waiting for us na mag-share talaga na kailangan po natin ma-share. And then, ito, gusto kong isulat mo po ito. Herbalife is an absolute giant. Herbalife is an absolute giant. Sabi niya, you don't realize, ang dami kong asterisk dito, you don't realize what you have. You are not acting like a giant. Oh, siyempre ako din ganun. Oops. Okay, so how proud are we about our company? How excited are we to share rather than think of, kasi itong ibang company, ganito, ganyan. Huwag na, focus na lang po tayo talaga na kumausap ng bagong tao. And if some says yes, okay. If some says no, great. And just really continue. Okay? So marami pa po tayong sa sulok ng Pilipinas na nangangailangan ng help po natin. Kaya sabi niya, pound your chest na we are Herbalife. You have to be, to really feel big about this company, feel very, very proud of being an Herbalife distributor. Kaya yung, sabi niya, yung scale na what we're in right now, there's that huge opportunity to really even grow that. Sabi niya, right now around the world, okay, if there's 70,000 nutrition clubs, but let's talk about the Philippines. Right now, there's about 1,500. Okay. And yun yung ano ko na, yung dream ko po yun na lahat ng sulok sa Herbalife sa Philippines, merong nutrition club. Kasi yan din po yung vision ni Mark Hughes na every house has a can of shake. Okay? If you are not also doing nutrition club, that's fine. Go natin every house has a can of shake. Yun man talaga yung ano ng Herbalife. And then ito pa sabi niya, unparalleled compensation compared to other network marketing companies. Alam mo, sinabi nga niya po ito na yes, marami siyang pino-coach na ibang network marketing companies, pero yung mata niya nag-roll na sabi niya, I don't know what products they're having. I don't know. But you guys, I can tell you in all honesty na you have the best products in the world. Kasi nalaman po niya yung tungkol sa science behind our products, the DNA testing of every raw material, of every batch of products that is being produced, no, things like that. Kaya maganda po, panoorin nyo if you haven't watched. Ako gamit na gamit po sa akin yung product and belief ni Dr. Kim. Okay? Tapos isa pang binanggit niya, yung sports team, no, brand assets that we have, and yung Olympic teams, yung sabi ko kaninang 5, okay? And then the anti-hunger, yung zero hunger campaign ng Herbalife for the world, no? Ano pa, Herbalife Nutrition Foundation, binanggit niya po lahat ito. Yung abilities natin in manufacture and science, from top to bottom. Sabi niya yung for us to associate with Cristiano Ronaldo. Ito sinabi niyo, what we have is unreal. No other companies like that. Tapos yung sinabi niya na, think about the legacy of Mark Hughes and Jim Rohn. And mamaya, meron po akong papakitang PowerPoint about Jim Rohn and Mark Hughes for those of you na very new, na familiar yet, o hindi pa rin na napanood. Okay? Sabi niya, watch what happens. So this year, starting this year, it's going to be different energy. We look forward to that. Kasi alam niyo yung 40 executives ng Herbalife. Okay? Like I said kanina, doon ako amazed na even in the 30K meeting. Wala silang ibang focus kung hindi. How else can we help the distributors? Kasi it's a very distributor-driven company. Yun yung kakaibahan po natin. Okay? So, yun po. Okay? And ito yung isang parang nawala. Sige. So, with this po, okay. So, di ba sabi ni Jim Rohn, kasi nagbanggit siya ng Jim Rohn, okay? Work harder on yourself than you do on your business. And sana po ito po, isa ulo, isa puso po natin po, ha? And many of your leaders, and if you are here looking, hindi ka familiar, ano ba ito, mother? Nag-develop kami ng parang checklist lang po, ng ano ba yung pwede ninyong i-start na gamitin to grow yourself, okay? So, do not worry kung sino nag-invite po sa inyo, meron naman po ito. Okay? So, lahat ng videos ni Mark Hughes, okay? Lahat ng titles, alam niyo po ito, 30 seconds, 1 minute lang bawat video. So, it's not going to take up so much of your time, lalo na kung part-time ka, very busy ka. Kaya nga, kung very busy po kayo, listen to this, ha? If you're very busy, and if gusto mo, ayaw mong lagi kang running like a headless chicken, you make time to grow, you make time to learn the right things, you make time to learn the right mindset para you will maximize the benefits na pwedeng ibigay ni Herbalife. Okay? So, i-run through ko lang yan and then si Jim Rohn videos. Kasi ako po personally, I am a product of all these videos. Sa panahon ko po, cassette tapes pa po. Tapos may Walkman. Kaya habang nag-gym ako, nag-walking, nagtatrabaho, naka-Walkman po ako parati. Okay? So, some of you, inabutan nyo yung CDs na ginawa natin, right? Ako, naabutan ko pa yung Betamax, VHS, so ganyan na talaga katanda si mother. But all this wisdom, very, very timeless po. Okay? So, ngayon, ito yung sinabi niya. As a Herbalife distributor, we need to do 4 basic things. Simple lang, diba? You sell the products, kaya mahalaga umiinom ka para you have confidence in what you are selling, sharing. Number 2, we need to recruit, sponsor people into the business. Now, sabi niya, if 1 and 2 lang ang ginagawa natin, which is 70% of us are doing, that is just a job. Hindi yan negosyo sa network marketing. Kaya nag-draw po siya ng line. If you want to really maximize network marketing for yourself, for your family, for your community, for your team, number 3, very important, duplication. Kaya early on, naintindihan ko po na hindi ko pwede, yung gagawin ko is fun, simple, magical. Madali ako ma-duplicate, madali ako maintindihan ng mga tao. At doable for them. And then number 4, you take the lead. Ay, bago pa lang ako, mother. Mas maganda nga bago ka, you take leadership. Kasi nga, after 6 months po ako nag-sign up, umalis na po ang sponsor ko. So, sinong magturo sa akin? Wala. That's why, napilitan po akong mag-take leadership sa sarili ko, sa sarili kong negosyo, sa sarili kong team that I've started to develop. And you know, yun yung nakita kong benefit eh. Even if you're very new or you've been here quite some time but you've not really you've not made that commitment to step up to leadership. Kasi alam mo ganito yan, kita ko ha. If you're not stepping up to leadership, naghuhugas ka ng kamay mo, ayaw mo ng responsibility without you realizing na to take leadership is really to grow you and maging great example ka sa pamilya mo, sa community mo, yung confidence mo iba. At sino yung laging magsasabi sa hindi ka pang ganyan, lalalala. Siyempre yung enemy. At ayaw ng enemy ikaw maging successful. So I hope yan po is very, very clear po sa inyo. Ha? Waiting po. So pakisabi mo ngayon, i-claim mo. You are a leader in your company, in your own ID number, and with the people na dadali ng Panginoon sa buhay mo. Okay? Kasi, sabi niya, if hindi mo ma-maximize yung four basic things in this company, hindi ka nag-take advantage of the efforts of other people, yung tinatawag na leverage. Kasi kung mag-isa ka lang, doon ka sa 1 and 2, mag-isa ka lang, that you just have 24 hours. But if you have number 3 and you have number 4 and you take the lead and you develop leaders, kasi when you start taking the lead, kahit bago ka, wala pong ano dito kasi kailangan magtagal ka muna bago ka maging leader. Hindi po. Maaga nga ako naging leader. Napilitan po ako maging leader dahil po wala nga akong sponsor. So hindi dahilan wala kang sponsor, wala kang mentor. Okay? So that's why you need the 4 bucket para you maximize the efforts of other people. Para, let's say, meron kang 10 distributors na gusto din to kahit part-time. So, yung 24 hours mo times 10, naging 240 hours na ngayon. Nag-multiply pa. Tapos, meron ka pang na-recruit sa ibang bansa. Iba din ang time zone nila. So, habang natutulog ka, they're also doing the Herbalife business. Diba? So, that's called leveraging po. Nung una, hindi ko po maintindihan anong leverage. Okay? So, isa pa po. Sabi niya, yung how we find customers, hindi man po nagbabago dun. Tapos sinabi niya ito. Yung financial opportunity sa prospect, they have never been ready. Okay? They're even more ready to earn from home or even as a side hustle right now. Yan ang sinabi niya. Kasi syempre, he knows the industry, diba? Then because coming from pandemic, maraming companies nang sara, etc., etc. Kaya sabi niya, tayo daw, we have been so quiet. So we have to be loud, to be proud and loud about this company, about the opportunity. Kaya sobrang, doon po ako talaga, sabi ko, oo nga. Kaya, alam mo, hindi kaya ni Mother ang buong Pilipinas. I want all of you to really step up to leadership. Okay? So, I just want to, ano po. Kaya, alam nyo, being in that event, sobra po akong grateful. No, talagang full of gratefulness lang ang naramdaman ko po all those many days po. Okay? And ito po, focus on what is personal, ano ka na to ha? Focus on what is possible for you. Focus on what is working for you. Do not focus on what is not working. Okay? So, okay, so ito pa sabi niya, I just wanna continue this. Last na lang po ito. Okay, thank you for staying para rin naman po sa inyo po. Sige, before that po, sulat niyo po ito ha. Ito daw yung mga tanong na kailangan natin itanong sa sarili natin. What will success be like for you this 2024? Sabi niya, think of an income a month that you would like to have in this company. Now, if you're in the room, you don't need the opportunity. Think of an income na gusto mong gawin sa charity or sa church mo. Okay? So, what will success be like for you this 2024? So, let nyo ha. So, suggestion ko po, kung ano man tong mga questions na ibibigay ko po sa inyo, work with your team na lahat kayo make sure na sasagutin nyo po ha. Wag lang isulat, tapos wala na, goodbye, good night, then see you. Katapos pareho pa din. Wag po ha. So, make sure na something is really changing in your life. Second question niya po. What has to change? What has to change? How I wish I can hear all the answers of the over 369 people in the room tonight. Okay, what has to change? Who do you need to add in your team? Who do you need to add in your team? Another question po. What habits and skills you need to develop? What habits or skills you need to develop? Isa pang question. What mindset do you need to bring in this company? What mindset you need to bring in this company? What distractions do you need to kill? Is it social media? Is it Netflix? I don't know. Okay. Okay. What distractions do you need to kill so that you can be successful for 2024? How uncomfortable do you need to be? How uncomfortable do you need to be to have that success na gusto mo for 2024? Ganda ng mga questions, talagang very thought-provoking, diba? Isa pa po. Okay, now, I know some of you are hindi comfortable sa English and all. Ask na lang the mentors sa Bisaya, sa Tagalog, whatever. Kasi ang mahalaga, you're getting the message po, ha? So, alam ko naman hindi lahat comfortable sa English. Okay, but, pag yumaman ka, magaling ka na mag-English. Kasi yung number 1 distributor sa Japan, si Konida-san, noong una hindi marunong mag-English. Ngayon, magaling na, Chairman's Club. Dati Japanese lang. Okay, housewife po yun. Dating nagbibenta ng pampi at bara. Pero ngayon, Chairman's Club. So anyway, another question po is, what would it take to make it happen? What would it take to make it happen? Are you willing to do those things to achieve those numbers? Kasi ba nagtanong ako kanina, magkano yung gusto mo a month na income? Hindi ko sinabing magkano ang kinita mo ha. Magkano yung gusto mong income a month? I know some of you or most of you very uncomfortable to write the amount. But isulat mo yan. Remember, you challenge your belief? Sa video ni Eric Worre kanina. Okay. So what would it take to make it happen, ha? Are you willing to do those things to achieve those numbers? Willing ka ba? Ano ba give up mo? Okay? Kasi alam mo, syempre siya, nasa network marketing siya. He's really the expert. He's the sought after na consultant, personal trainer. Okay? Alam mo, sabi niya, this company is going to grow. This will just keep on growing in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year, and so. Yan yung nakita niya. Kaya nga sabi niya, ngayon ang Herbalife is 7 billion. Okay. But I see this company going to 20 billion. No, ganun kami lahat. Palakpak naman. Agree. Okay, tapos, nasulat niyo na yung questions, ha? So, ito pa yung amazing na sinabi niya. Okay, another one. Here's the challenge. Double the number. Kung magkano yung gusto mong kitain, na sinulat mo kanina, double that number. I know you'll feel, sabi niya dito, I know you will feel like a little strange. Ay, kaya ko ba yun? Etc. Diba yun yung mga naglalaro sa mind natin? Alam niyo, itong mga words sinasabi ko, tinype ko talaga exact words na sinasabi niya. Yun yung advantage ko kasi when I was in high school talaga, nag-aral ako ng typing lessons. Kaya kahit hindi po ako nakatingin, mabilis po ako mag-type para akong secretary. Okay? So I love my Herbalife iPad. Yung binigay ng Herbalife na promo. Okay? And to think, pwede naman akong bumili, di ba? Kaya ko naman bilhin. But you know, it's not about that. It's about when I qualified for this iPad, the numbers of lives that I have helped. Yun. Ha? Okay. So, sabi niya, here's the challenge, double the number. Magkano a month yung income? I-double mo lang. Okay? You'll feel uncomfortable. Tapos, yung kaninang mga questions na binigay ko sa inyo doon sa first, doon sa nung sabi ko magkano income ang gusto mo. Go through those questions again with this na dinoble mo ang income. Sabi niya, most of you in this room will not even bother to answer this. Sabi niya. What are that? What people do you need to attract? Let nyo, what people do you need to attract? What countries to sponsor people? Kaya tayo, work locally but think globally in 95 countries na open ang Herbalife. Huwag muna po kayong mag-open sa mga bansang wala pang Herbalife like Dubai, Qatar na maraming Pinoy, ha? Kasi unless you want to be fined. But I know in Malaysia before na may nahuli $20,000. Okay? So, sabi ni Eric Worre. Oops, mamaya na yun. Okay, sabi niya, sabi niya na, some of you, you're not even willing to write the second number. Unless you write it down and have a game plan to make it real. Assume the how will appear. Kasi ginusto mo, dinesire mo, madali na lang yung how. That's what he's trying to say. Tapos, eto na yung third exercise niya. Sabi niya, double again yung pangalawa. Di ba, una, magkano yung gusto mong kitain? Number 2, i-double mo yung gusto mong kitain. Number 3, i-double mo yung pangalawang figure na binigay mo. Tapos, eto sinabi niya, I want you to get this. Sobrang amazing talaga tong taong to. Talagang, revolutionize niya yung mindset, yung pag-iisip natin. Okay? So, eto. Sabi niya, now, double again the income that you desire. I know, sabi niya, it seems like it is not in the realm of possibility. Mas lalo tayong uncomfortable. Tama po. But you have to change mindset. Yes, it's not reasonable. Progress, sabi niya, progress is dependent on unreasonable target. Progress is dependent on unreasonable target. Even if for the stretch, even if you didn't make it, you stretch and you didn't, and if you and you did try. Kasi di ba kung ito yung sobrang, ito na yung gusto mo aman, tapos sinabi niya doble, tapos i-doble pa, tama? So kahit hindi to ma-reach, mataas pa rin yung mangyayari sa'yo, lagpas pa doon sa unang mong gusto. Bakit? Nag-stretch tayo. Na hindi natin iisipin na imposible. Okay? Okay, diba? Galing. No, ito na yung last ko. May last pa pala ako. Ito. I think this is the last one. Sabi niya, there are three types of people in this world. Number 1, yung pessimist. Yung laging negative, ay, hindi pwede yan. Okay? Ito economy, ay, daming mahirap, ay. Okay, that is the pessimist. Things will get worse. I told you. Okay? So, sabi niya, they pre-disappoint themselves. Hindi pa nangyayari. They're trying to disappoint themselves. Discourage na nila sarili nila. Those are the pessimists. Number 2, kaya tingnan nyo kung nasaan kayo dito, ha? Number 2, realist ka. Practical ka. Pero sabi niya, your biggest fear is to be your biggest fear is to be embarrassed. Kaya ayaw mo mag-aim ng high na goal. You just set your goals too low. Playing it safe ka parati. That's the realist. But if you're a visionary, and these are the people that makes things happen, okay, this will make people uncomfortable. Okay? And so anong mangyari when you're a visionary? Okay? So nakafocus ka lang lagi doon sa what's possible for you, knowing na ang dami ng testimonies ng kahit sino naging very, very successful. Kaya nga, events like this po, and even with our extravaganza coming up, I really wanna, lalo na po extravaganza, I really wanna encourage all of you. Many of you listening today, maybe hindi pa nag-qualify, or maybe some of you nag-qualify. Nangihinayang kayo sa i-invest ninyo sa company. Can you imagine you'll be listening to Eric Worre face-to-face, pati si Michael O. Johnson and all the other executives in terms of planning and all that. So sobrang, it's going to be kakaibang extravaganza ever. Okay, so I want to encourage all of you to really be that. Okay, now, sabi niya, realists, they laugh at visionaries. So tingnan niyo po ang sarili niyo. Are you a pessimist, a realist, or a visionary? And so what will lead you to success in Herbalife? Always be a visionary. And that's why all these events, all these meetings, all these corporate events also, laging pinoprotektahan ang mindset mo nang hindi ka mawala doon sa where you're going, what's the promise of the future for all of you. Okay? And so tayo naman na we have already our team. Okay? Anong goal natin? We pull out people who are pessimistic to become realist or realist to become visionary. That's our goal for some of us na may mga may na. Okay? Tapos ito pa yung sinabi niya, sorry, walang katapusan, sige na lang, bigyan niyo na si mother. Okay? Okay, so ito pa ho. Sabi niya, we are here to see how much we can contribute. Okay, that's our business. Walang hangganan yung negosyo. Kasi ito na yung kinita ko, okay na ako, masaya na ako. No. Okay, so we are here to see how much we can contribute. After all, diba, God created all of us. He gave us the potential to create wealth, the power to create wealth. And bakit gusto niya tayong i-bless para makabless tayo ng mas marami pang tao. Okay? So, yung iba pang pang leadership na. So, I think that ends my sharing tonight. So, I hope po may value po yung na-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Gising pa po ba kayo?